Yes, you can download a video from X, formerly Twitter, but only when the video owner allows it and the download option is available on the post. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process so you know exactly where to look and what to click. And if this helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, open X and find the video you want to download. Make sure you're viewing the actual post that contains the video because the download option appears on the post controls, not inside the video itself. Once you've found the post, look at the bottom area of the post for the gear icon. This is the settings or options menu for that post. Click the gear icon on the bottom of the post. When the menu opens, look for an option that says download video. If you see it, that means the owner has enabled downloads, and your account may also need to meet the requirements set by, such as having an X Premium subscription in some cases. If you don't see the option, that usually means the download isn't allowed for that video, or the feature isn't available for your account. If the download video option is there, click it. X will then start saving the video directly to your device. Depending on your device and browser, the file may download to your downloads folder, your Photos app, or your default save location. After that, you can open the file and watch it offline whenever you want. If you don't see a download option, there isn't a built-in way to force it from X itself. In that case, the best approach is to respect the creator's settings and look for other ways to view or share the content legally, such as bookmarking the post or sharing the link. So, to quickly recap, open X, find the video post, click the gear icon at the bottom, check for download video, and if it appears, tap it to save the file to your device. That's the fastest way to download a video from X when the feature is enabled. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.